What to do upon arrival sa Hong Kong International Airport.
So guys, pagbaba nyo from plane, follow mo lang yung immigration sign and then going to the train station. Sangsakay lang siya going to the immigration.
After immigration, kinuha namin yung luggages namin at nag-withdraw. Yung iba kumuha ng Octopus card, kami nag-top up na lang. You can book din sa Klook kasi may mga combo sila kagaya ng preloaded Octopus card, Octopus card plus Airport Express, or Octopus card rental na cheaper than owning one. Make sure to use my code KimbulanKlook for a discount. Sa booth na to, you can also buy Airport Express tickets but you can also use your Octopus card na din. Likod niyan ay kung saan kami sumakay ng Airport Express. Paano ba sumakay? Before ka sumakay, alamin mo yung pinakamalapit na stop ng train sa hotel mo. Sa Google Maps, you can type your hotel as the destination and Hong Kong International Airport as the starting point. Makita mo dyan iba't ibang routes. Choose the one na may Airport Express. In our case, it is Hong Kong Station kaya doon kami bumaba. Pagkatapos ay kailangan mong lumabas muna ng station ng Airport Express with your Octopus card para makalipat sa ibang station. From Hong Kong Station, nag-transfer kami ng Central Station. Sa Central Station, sumakay ng 2-in-1 line going to Admiralty Station. Nagkamali kami ng binabaan ng train during our commute kaya I suggest from Admiralty Station, sakay kayo ng East Rail Line going to Mong Kok East Station if you're also staying at Royal Plaza Hotel. Nasa same building lang ang hotel, MTR station kasama ng Moko Mall kaya aakyat ka lang. Airport Express to Hong Kong Station is around 100 Hong Kong dollars. Mas mahal sa other stops since it is an express train. Make sure may saktong laman ng Octopus card mo. We loaded around 300 Hong Kong dollars each. One person per card pala dapat ha. After lakad, we reach our Royal Plaza Hotel na napaka-expensive tingnan. Tour ko kayo sa next video.